how to make Discord guild tag. So if you want to make a Discord guild tag, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you just need simply open up your Discord. After opening a Discord, make sure that you have a server. So you just need to simply go with your server. For example, I'm here with my server. So once you have your server, you just need to simply go with the top, go with your name, and then go with server settings. Now, once you're on your server settings, you need to scroll down, and here you may have a guild option. But if you don't find the guild option right here, then what you need to do is just simply go back, and you need to join a server, which is Guild Archive. You can just simply go with the guild section under your information, and from here you need to scroll down, and as you can see that you will have a lot of guilds right here. Just click on the one that you like and join the server. Like for example, I'll go with this one. Right click on it, follow or join the server. Once you've joined the server and chosen the tag, you can just simply go with your user settings. And under edit your user profile, you can just simply scroll down and you will find the option of server tag. You can just simply scroll down or go with the drop down and go and select any tag that you're comfortable with. And now you'll have your own Discord guild tag. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.